Join me as I dive into the world of e-commerce and challenge myself to see if custom developer chatbots can really outperform Shopify's built-in options in 2025. Both are becoming increasingly important in e-commerce, offering the potential to enhance customer engagement and boost sales. But which one delivers better results? Challenges for Shopify store owners. Running a Shopify store isn't easy. You've likely invested time and effort into creating a beautiful online shop, only to face cart abandonment, low conversions, and lack of personalization. The big question is, how do you fix this? One of the biggest hurdles is personalization. Customers expect tailored experiences, but manually doing this at scale is impossible. Even with tools, understanding what your audience needs and crafting the perfect message can be tricky. How custom developer chatbots outperform Shopify's options. Shopify's built-in chatbot provides basic automation, answering FAQs, processing orders, and handling simple tasks. But it lacks the depth of personalization, automation, and flexibility that custom developer chatbots offer. Here's what makes custom AI chatbots a game changer. Hyper-personalization. They analyze customer behavior and recommend relevant products, offers, and content. Automated sales funnels. Follow up with abandoned carts, offer exclusive discounts, and guide customers toward purchases. Advanced integrations. Sync with CRM, email marketing, and inventory systems for seamless operations. Full customization. Adapt to your brand's voice, design, and business model. Efficiency boost. Automate workflows, freeing up time for strategy and growth. Real-world impact. Businesses that switch to custom AI chatbots see significant improvements. Case studies show 20% plus increase in conversion rates, 30% plus increase in average order value, lower cart abandonment through automated follow-ups. One Shopify store owner saw a 20% boost in conversions just by implementing a custom chatbot, while another increased average order value by 30%. These aren't just numbers, they're proof of how AI-driven automation directly impacts revenue. Which one should you choose? If you want basic automation, Shopify's built-in chatbot is convenient. But if you're serious about maximizing sales and engagement, a custom chatbot is the smarter investment. More personalization, more automation, more conversions. What's your experience with chatbots? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to check out our next video for more e-commerce insights.